There is something I want to teach you today. That's why I said you are very lucky to be here. So the message you hear from me today, you take it back to your school and teach your friends. Will you teach your friends? There are areas somebody should not touch you in your body. Listen very well. There are parts of your body in which nobody, I said nobody, what did I say? Nobody should touch you. There are parts of your body in which nobody, even if it's your daddy, should not touch you unless it's your mommy. Maybe she's betting you, which I know that most of you are betting yourselves, except the ones in basic 1 and 2. Am I right? So nobody has the right to touch you in those parts of the body. Listen very well. Listen very well. Listen very well. I said there are parts of your body in which nobody has the right to touch you. There. You are the boss of your body. You are the what? Boss of your body. Boss means you are the master, the organ of your body. You are the one that will say, you are the one that will allow anybody to touch any part of your body. So there are parts you should not allow anybody to touch. What are the parts? Your chest. Say it. Your chest. Your chest. Whether you are a boy or a girl, no matter the type of play you are playing with anybody, that person should not touch your chest. That person should not touch your chest. The next place is the part between your legs, the place you use to urinate. That place is a no-go area. Nobody, I said what? Nobody should touch you there. You should not touch yourself there. You should not touch another person, and nobody should touch you there. Another place is your armpit. Do you know your armpit? Nobody has the right to touch you in your armpit. That if somebody wants to touch you in these 3 places I called, what are you supposed to do? Number 1, the first thing you will do is to shout. You do what? Shout. You shout, no! I shout, let me see. No! Hello? Immediately anybody wants to touch you in those areas, no matter who the person is, you do what? Shout. Shout it again. Immediately, run away from that person. Immediately. If the person refuses you to run, bite that person. You should do what? Bite that person and do what? Run away. That person is an enemy. That person is an enemy. After running away, the next thing you should do is to report. The next thing you should do is to do what? Report. If it's in the house, who will you report to? You have something we call trusted adult. Something we call what? Trusted adult. In your home, you should have a trusted adult. And who is that trusted adult? Your mommy. In the school, you should have a trusted adult. Who is your trusted adult in the school? Your teacher, your class teacher,